Your skin is incredible. It's the largest organ in our body. It acts as a barrier. It protects us from the outside world. Think about it. Our skin shields us from harmful sunlight, germs, and injuries. It helps regulate our body temperature. It allows us to feel sensations like touch, heat, and cold. The skin has three main layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. Each layer has its own unique structure and function. They work together seamlessly. This ensures our survival. Let's start our journey at the innermost layer of the epidermis, the stratum basale. This layer is a single-cell layer thick. It sits on top of the dermis. The stratum basale is like a cell factory. It's where new skin cells are constantly being produced. These new cells are called keratinocytes. They are the building blocks of our skin. Keratinocytes are special. They produce a protein called keratin. Keratin makes our skin tough and waterproof. As new keratinocytes are produced in the stratum basale, they begin a remarkable journey. They are pushed upward, starting their migration through the layers of the epidermis. They move through the different layers of the epidermis, each layer playing a crucial role in their development and transformation. As they travel, they undergo a fascinating transformation, changing in shape and function to adapt to their new environments. The next stop on their journey is the stratum spinosum, a layer that is essential for the skin's strength and flexibility. This layer gets its name from the spiny appearance of the cells under a microscope, which is due to the presence of desmosomes that hold the cells together. The keratinocytes in this layer start to produce more keratin, a protein that is vital for the skin's protective properties. As they produce keratin, they begin to flatten out, preparing for their next phase of transformation. Above the stratum spinosum lies the stratum granulosum, a layer where significant changes occur. Here, the keratinocytes undergo a dramatic change, becoming more compact and filled with granules. These granules contain substances that help waterproof the skin, ensuring that our body retains moisture and stays protected from external elements. The waterproofing function of these granules is crucial for maintaining the skin's barrier function. As the cells move through this layer, they start to die, a necessary step in the formation of the outermost skin layer. In areas of thick skin, like the palms of our hands and soles of our feet, there is an extra layer called the stratum lucidum, which provides additional protection. This layer appears translucent under a microscope and acts as a barrier against friction and pressure. It provides an extra layer of protection, enhancing the durability of the skin in these high-contact areas. Finally, the keratinocytes reach the outermost layer of the epidermis, the stratum corneum, where they complete their transformation. This layer consists of dead, flattened keratinocytes that have become tough and resilient. These cells form a tough, waterproof barrier that protects our body from environmental damage and prevents water loss. They are constantly being shed and replaced by new cells from below, ensuring that our skin remains healthy and functional. Section 4. The dermis. More than meets the eye. This section delves into the fascinating world beneath the surface of our skin. Beneath the epidermis lies the dermis, a crucial layer that often goes unnoticed. This layer is significantly thicker than the epidermis, providing much-needed strength and resilience. It provides structural support for the skin, thanks to its dense network of collagen fibers. The dermis is a dynamic layer, constantly in motion and full of life. It contains blood vessels, nerves, hair follicles, and sweat glands, each playing a vital role in skin health. The blood vessels in the dermis supply essential nutrients to the skin, ensuring it remains healthy and vibrant. They also help regulate body temperature, maintaining our internal balance. The nerves allow us to feel touch, pressure, heat and cold, making our skin a sensory organ. The hair follicles produce hair, which provides insulation and enhances sensory perception. The sweat glands produce sweat, which helps cool the body down during physical activity or in hot conditions. Section 5, the hypodermis, insulation and energy storage. The hypodermis is the deepest layer of the skin. It lies beneath the dermis. The hypodermis is composed mainly of fat cells. It acts as an insulator. It helps regulate body temperature. It also serves as a cushion. It protects our internal organs from impact. The hypodermis also stores energy. This stored energy can be used by the body when needed. Section 6, your skin, a multifaceted wonder. The skin is a truly remarkable organ, often underestimated in its complexity. It protects us from the outside world, acting as a barrier against harmful elements. It helps regulate our body temperature, ensuring we stay cool or warm as needed. It allows us to feel sensations, from the gentle touch of a loved one to the sting of a hot surface. It is constantly renewing itself. New cells are born every day. They journey through the layers of the epidermis, maturing as they go. They transform along the way, adapting to their new roles. The skin is a testament to the power of evolution, showcasing our adaptability. It is a complex and dynamic organ with many layers and functions. It plays a vital role in our survival, shielding us from environmental threats. So, next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate your skin and all it does for you. It is a marvel of nature, a true wonder of the human body.